The second in my series of looking at box and whisker plots. So a bit of a harder question here where you've got to design the stem and leaf plot with a class size of 0.5 kilograms and then prepare the 5-point summary and then draw the box and whisker plot. So let's get started. So as we've seen so far, stem and leaf plots give us an idea of how the data is distributed in groups, and you can use 10s or 5s. Now here, it's sort of asked us to use a class size of 0.5 kilogram. So we've got a whole lot of lambs here and cut meat in kilograms. So what we're looking at here is putting them in the size of 0.5 kilograms. So instead of having all the 3s together, you have the lower 3s, so 3 to 3.5, and then 3 to 3.4, sorry, and then 3.5 to 4. So you divide each unit here in half. And I've got a little key here which says that we're going to use this sort of situation where we've got 4 on the left would be the 4 and the 5 on the right would be the 0.5. So in other words, if we had 6 and then 8 on the other side, that would be 6.8. So we always should put a key for our stem and leaf plots. All right, so let's get started. We're going to go through now and put all the leaves in. So you can see I've already looked through and I've seen that the data ranges from the upper 3s, so the group 3.5 to 3.9, through to the upper 6s. I've only got one registration in the upper 3s here, and that's 3.9. So 3.9 would be 3 on the left and 9 on the right. Then I've got the 4s, and I start with the lower 4s. So I've got a couple of 4.0s. So 4.0 and another 4.0, and so on. Okay, I won't go through into the whole table because on the next slide you'll see I've got the completed table there. Notice how I've lined the leaves up, right? So it's almost like, if I turn this sideways, it almost gets to be like a bar graph. Okay, I could do bars across here, and it gives you an idea of which group has the most number of entries. All right, let's get rid of those now. All right, so there we go. There's the stem and leaf plot. The upper 3s, the lower 4s, the upper 4s, the lower 5s, the upper 5s, the lower 6s, the upper 6s. So we've arranged it into a stem and leaf plot. The stars mean the upper, and remember upper is defined as 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9. Lower is defined as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've got a chance to do my calculations here. So the minimum straight away will be 39, that's the lowest, and the maximum is 68. Let's have a look at the median. Well, I could count them up, but I'm also told that I've got 20 lambs here. So there's 20 pieces of data. So for median, we want n plus 1, 20 plus 1 over 2, score. Remember that formula, n plus 1 over 2. So 21 divided by 2, I want the 10.5 score. That's going to be halfway between the 10th and the 11th. Let's change pen colour. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the 10th is 4.8. The 11th is 5.0. So I want halfway between the 10th and the 11th. Now, halfway between 4.8 and 5.0 is going to be 4.9. I beg your pardon, I should have put 3.9 here and 6.8. I just lost the plot there for a second. So I go back. So now I've got 4.9 in here. All right, so what I'm going to do now is find out the 2 quartiles. So my dividing line, because my median, I've got an even number of things, I'm going to draw a little line there. So I've now got my lower half over here, all those guys, and I've got my upper half here, all of those guys. Remember, it's halfway between those two values, so I can draw a line there. All right, so in my lower half, I've got 10. So my formula again, 10 plus 1 over 2 score. So that's going to be the 5.5 score. Halfway between the 5th and the 6th. Let's see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th score is there. 4.3. The sixth score is there, 4.5. So my lower quartile is halfway between. It's going to be 4.4. Sorry, 4.4. Upper half, so it's halfway between the fifth and the sixth in the upper half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I've got 5.8. The sixth one is 5.9. Now halfway between those is going to be 5.85. Tricky one there. All right, so I've now got my figure summary. So I'm going to now put that onto a new slide, like so, and now I can draw the box and whisker plot from there. All right, so my lowest one is 3.9, my highest one is 6.8. I'm going to go from 3 to 7. So I'll drag a rule over here, and we'll go from 3 to 7. So a straight line down the bottom. Mark in our divisions, so 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Write them in. So 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, and 7.0. Time to draw the box and whisker plot. I'm going to do it in a blue colour here. So my minimum is 3.9, which is about here. So first whisker. In fact, I'll get the straight line happening. So 3.9, it's about there. The other whisker is at 6.8, so that's over here. 4.4 for the lower quartile, so that's around here. 4.9 for the median, which is about there. 5.85, which is going to be around here. Join the box up and connect in the whiskers. Might just quickly write down our values. So our lowest one is 3.9, followed by 4.4, followed by 4.9, followed by 5.85, followed by 6.8. And there, everybody, is my box and whisker plot. So we went from there, we developed our stem and leaf. Then we got our 5-figure summary and placed that on the box and whisker. Bye for now.